1,000 feet, turn right onto North Alberta Street. Turn right onto North Alberta Street. In a quarter mile, use any lane to turn left onto West Northwest Boulevard. Use any lane to turn left onto West Northwest Boulevard.
I do have one in there that's yep. I do have a dipstick for it.
Continue on West Northwest Boulevard for 3/4 of a mile.
That's what transmission this is, yes. Yep. This dipstick will do it, yes. Side streets and come up better for that there. Yep.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto North Ash Street.
We do that tonight. Yep. Before going to bed. So again, they've got to stay up until just after midnight. Be my next.
Take a second right onto North Ash Street.
Unemployment claim.
Continue on North Ash Street for 3/4 of a mile.
They made that style up until the 90s, actually. So that could be, yep.